probably. I don't know.
It is.
That's inconvenient for you. Okay. Would you like a stylus? Whatever. Okay, so remember, we have angles, right? You have lots of points that make up an angle.
Oh, Savannah.
Can I have a stylus? So my pin's off.
Okay, so to name this angle, what are the ways we can name it? There are three.
Z or ZXY.
Whoa,
ZYX.
whoa. Shh. Hush. Slow down. So, yes, angle XYZ
Or ZYX.
or ZYX.
But the Y has to be in the middle.
Yes, the vertex has to be in the middle. So if there's just an angle by itself, you could also call this angle Y. Now, if it's like attached to something else where Y is also the vertex, you couldn't say that. But the vertex, so the point that makes up the angle part always has to be in the middle. Right?
Something like that.
Do we remember that?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so ugly.
Right, so remember that this Y is the vertex. Okay.
Are we gonna test on this stuff?
Not really.
Yay.
All right, so then remember we have different types of angles. Can I go to the next slide?
Yeah, this is charging. I'll just copy hers.
Okay.
Can we talk about this?
All right, so remember acute angles are between what?
45.
No.
Is there anything less than 180?
No.
Anything less than
Less
90.
than 90.
Oh.
So they are between 0 and 90 degrees. Right, up to 90. Right, doesn't include 90.
How could I forget acute angle like that?
Wait, 90 does not include?
Right.
No, I put 90, like,
Up
to, there you go.
So a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is anything bigger than 90. And less than what?
180.
Good. A straight angle is what?
180.
180.
There, I guess. And a reflex angle is bigger than 180 and less than what?
360.
Good. All right, are we good? Anybody still writing?
No.
Mine looks really good. It's okay, you can go.
All right, so remember we have complementary angles. And supplementary angles. Yes. So complementary angles add to what?
180.
Nope.
360.
90. Supplementary angles add to
180.
good. So if, for example, I tell you to find the complement of something, that means you do 90 minus 32
Oh, yeah.
and get what?
58.
Right? So that's how you find the complement. Same idea for the supplement. So then you would do 180 minus 85. So 95?
Is there such thing as negative degree?
Yes, but we're not going to talk about that this year. It just would mean you go a different direction, is all a negative angle means. Okay, questions about finding complements and supplements?
No, but I.
Wait, what's the little line above 85?
That's supposed to be a degree symbol.
Oh, no, really?
All right, so then we also have. Oh, that's two. Sure. I changed it. I didn't want an equilateral one. So remember, the three angles in a triangle add up to.
360. No, 180.
There we go.
Do we have to draw that triangle?
A triangle. I don't care what it looks like. So if this is 30 degrees and this is 75 degrees, that needs to be bigger than 75 degrees. Let's do 105. So how would we find the third angle?
Add those two together and then subtract them.
Good. So you have 105 plus 30, which is 135. And then you do 180 minus 135. So the other angle would have to be 55. Okay.
55?
Did I not do math right?
Shouldn't it be 45?
Yes.
I'll see what you said. I got it.
Wait. Why would you do 135?
Because I added 105 and 30. Add those
Find
two.
the missing triangle piece.
Why'd you add those?
Because those are the two that were given to begin with.
Oh, wait, so how did you figure out the two?
You do
I did 180 minus 135.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see you right.
That's okay. And then remember that if you have a right triangle, right, that this angle is 90 degrees. So if you have that in one of them, you can either do 90 plus 30 and then subtract from 180, or you can just do 90 minus 30 to find the missing one.
You can just do 90.
Yeah, if it's a right triangle,
Gotcha.
you can. All right, and then we have one more part I want to show you guys today. And then we're good. We need a minute?
Just 1 minute.
So, side A is across from angle A. Angles where the points are always capital letters, sides are always lowercase. So A is across from A, B is across from B, and C is across from C.